How to turn on voice scan on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable voice scan on Snapchat easily. So first thing you have to do is just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page right here, as you can see. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture like this, and go to the top corner and click on settings. Now all what you have to do is just scroll down until you find a voice scan option right here. Click on it and click enable from here. Now I just enabled voice scan option on Snapchat. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.